Hello everyone. Kimchi jjigae, one of the most popular Korean traditional dishes. This is a healthy and delicious stew that is often eaten in Korean households, and it really represents the flavors and aromas of Korea. Kimchi jjigae is a favorite Korean dish that can be made with a variety of ingredients. Today I'm going to make a kimchi jjigae that you can make when you don't have any other ingredients except kimchi at home. Prepare 600 grams of aged sour kimchi that you've been having trouble eating because it's too sour. Set aside the kimchi brine in a separate bowl. Cut off the top of the kimchi and place on the plate. Instead of slicing kimchi horizontally, tear it into long strips for a richer texture and flavor. Surround the pot with a generous amount of cooking oil. Be a man, add some torn kimchi boldly. Lightly stir fry the kimchi, and the red pepper flakes will make the chili oil. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Add a spoonful of sugar. If the kimchi is overripe and too sour, you can add a little more sugar to counteract the sourness. Add the kimchi brine when kimchi is cooked enough. Add enough water to cover the kimchi. Add some pepper here. Now add a couple of tablespoons of tuna sauce for a flavor boost that will make even a dog who's run away from home come back for more. The dog doesn't look too happy about the lack of meat. Simmer for 30 minutes over medium heat with the lid on at an angle. The longer it simmers, the more flavorful the broth and the softer the kimchi. Once it starts boiling, you can scoop out some of the broth and taste it. Add a little more tuna sauce if it's bland, or a little more sugar if it's still sour. Add a little more water if the stew becomes too salty while simmering. You've got yourself an easy kimchi jjigae. If you have eggs, fry them too. If you happen to have a broken yolk, don't be upset, just get a bowl, put the broken egg fries on it, and hot steamed rice on top. This is a bonus for hard work. Place the fried egg on top of the rice and kimchi stew in another bowl. A bowl of steamed rice and a bowl of kimchi jjigae. This is the best combination. A mouthful of savory broth. Serve with rice and a fried egg, top with kimchi, and voila! I can't tell you how happy I am to have all the flavors of kimchi jjigae in a spoonful of rice. You can find the recipe in the description section at the bottom of the video. Thank you again today.